south, east, west, we are immersed in nature.
Art is a reflection of the world around us. When I visited Saadiyat the first time, I found that this place is very unique, very special, from the nature, the water, the sand. That inspired me to produce the theme of the art pieces for this project.
Here life is so vibrant, it is so peaceful, it is so natural. It's not man-made.
If we go back to the history, when I did the research, Sheikh Zayed was the first one protecting the nature here in the country. This was also inspiration for me to focus and to showcase the nature that we have. For each theme, we have different kind of color and palette. The textures, the movements, all of that was the art in the core.
Saadiyat Rotana Resort is an architectural marvel. The way it combines nature and luxury is very unique. From the architecture to the interior design to the fabrics that has been used to the artwork, everything has been inspired by nature.
To create the art pieces, I knew that I will not just explore the island, I will explore myself, my soul, my mind, my creativity.
We collaborated with Ashwaq Abdallah, an Emirati artist. She felt very connected and very inspired by the project.
My art pieces in all the rooms, I feel like this is my gallery.
When I'm here, I'm centered, I am calm, I am whole, I'm within nature. And this is what we want our guests to feel.
They will experience the story of Saadiyat through the art.
We want them to live the same experience.